So do you want to edit faster? Well, today I've got a tool that'll help you edit faster and save you a bunch of time. So today I'm going to be using AE Juice. They do things like presets, sound effects, courses, and other things to help you edit. So yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. This is the starter pack. First of all, you just gotta download it. And then you gotta go customize. You can customize it. And you can even edit it yourself in AE. So I can put lol or something like that, or my name, why not? And now, see? You can change colors, so like, you can change the font, the color of the text, whatever you want. There's basically a bunch of options to try to get, or no, the starter pack folder, I think, yeah, this one. I'm gonna try this car transition. And now you can, so you can just leave it like default like this, which still looks pretty decent. I would personally do something like this. Use some graphs and scales. And now you can have something like that. It goes fast. It's not just VFX, you can also use it for sound effects. There's a sound effects pack. So we can also use this to enhance this transition. So yeah, I might use the whoosh. Maybe something like this. Like import. And there you go. Get your sound effect. So I can check LL. And then you just go to the peak of it. Oh, it actually even marks the peak for you already. Devices, you can add phones, I think, with this one. I'm gonna try this one. Just by double clicking it. Placeholder, which you can replace the placeholder. Which I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees. And then scale. Yep, so it's an actual phone you can customize using 3D. So if I want to do like a transition, I could. Do rain snowfall, which is pretty good. So like rain for like the side edit. So yeah, there's a lot of good MoGraph elements in the starter pack. This. We can import this and customize the color and other things. You can even add it in AE as well. Well, you get a lot with that bundle. I know it's expensive, but it saves you a lot of time editing. Now to create some of the effects in there on some of the overlays, it would take quite a bit of time. Also, I think this is very solid. I will leave a link to the AE Juice website if you want to get any other packs. And thanks for watching the video.